Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back my channel. In this video I present to you garden decoration idea. Garden contain different type of plants. For instance, it has different flowers such as roses, lilies, daisies. These flowers are the easiest to grow and flourish the environment with their beautiful smell. Moreover, the color of these flowers make a garden look beautiful. The garden has grass all over the area. As a result, this makes it the best place for any exercise. Furthermore, it has a soft ground where children can play different sports every day. In the evening, every morning, I can hear the creeping of many birds, birds like sparrow, pigeon, etc.